Hi everybody, it's Dr. Kemry. I just wanted to end our course and our time together by thanking all of you so much for all of the great work that you've done in our course, Quality and Safety, and in all of your reflections. Your reflections were wonderful. You told me so many things about the tools that you used in this course and how you're using them now in practice, and that's just wonderful. I'm so glad that many of you are coming away with new skills and tools that you can use in your daily practice. For many of you, I left an audio message. Some of you, I had to leave a text message because unfortunately my microphone wasn't working at the time when I was finishing upgrading the voice threads. But I wanted each and every one of you to know how wonderful this experience was for me to be in this course with you, facilitating your learning, and I hoped you all learned a lot. Please, all the best in your future endeavors here at Drexel as you complete your RN to BSN. Maybe I'll see you in another course here in RN to BSN, and maybe I may see some of you in a course in the master's program very soon. So good luck, do well, and have a great next quarter. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you very soon at graduation. Take care.